Understanding, betray one's trust. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase that you might come across in English conversations, stories, or movies: betray one's trust. Understanding this phrase is crucial as it touches upon relationships, ethics, and personal interactions. Let's unravel its meaning together and see how it's used in real-life contexts. To betray one's trust means to act in a way that breaks the confidence someone has placed in you. Trust is a belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. When you betray someone's trust, you do something that goes against this belief. It can involve sharing secrets without permission, lying, or breaking promises. The betrayal part here emphasizes a violation of a moral or emotional contract between individuals. Let's explore some examples to better understand how this phrase can be used. 1. Sharing a friend's secret with others without their consent. 2. Lying to a partner about where you were or whom you were with. 3. Breaking a promise to someone, like not keeping a commitment you made. These actions can lead to hurt feelings, damaged relationships, and a loss of trust that might be hard to rebuild. Trust is the foundation of all relationships, whether they are personal, professional, or casual. When trust is betrayed, it can have serious consequences for both the betrayer and the betrayed. The person whose trust was betrayed might feel hurt, angry, or disillusioned. On the other hand, the person who betrayed the trust might feel guilt, regret, or loss. Understanding the importance of trust helps us appreciate the gravity of betraying it. Betraying someone's trust doesn't always mean the end of a relationship. Rebuilding trust is possible, but it requires time, patience, and effort. Some steps to rebuild trust include: 1. Acknowledging the betrayal and accepting responsibility for the actions. 2. Apologizing sincerely without making excuses. 3. Making amends and showing through actions that you are committed to change. 4. Being transparent in your actions and communication moving forward. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to betray one's trust, and why trust is such a vital part of human relationships. Remember, maintaining trust requires integrity, honesty, and respect. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. See you in the next video.